So let's take a look at this. You can see here it says the largest NFT marketplace for primary and secondary sales. Buy, sell, and discover the internet of so. And you can see this one. It says one of the most important marketplace. Although music is a small focus here, you can see here too. This is what it says, and there's so many marketplaces out here. Welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Vixie808. If you're new here, I basically talk about NFTs and about music and about the digital age, the Arbitron age. So today we're going to talk about best NFT marketplaces out there, and you guys stay tuned because I'm going to be revealing, I'm going to be showing, I'm going to be sending you guys a link to show you guys all the marketplace out there where you can list your NFTs and sell them for money, guys. So you should just stay tuned so that at the end of this video I'm going to give you that. And one more thing, at the end of this video, guys, I'm going to be giving you a link to download a book of NFTs, to download a book that has that someone wrote about NFTs, guys. So he's going to teach you how to create NFTs and how to like make sales with NFTs. I'm going to give you all that for free, guys. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end, guys. Now we're going to go straight right into the video. I'm going to be showing you.
You're going to show us where it's hidden?
Four of my most favorite marketplaces out there that you can actually list your NFTs and start to make sales, start to promote them to make sales, guys. So guys, the first NFT marketplace is Mintable, guys. Now Mintable, with Mintable you could actually like list your NFTs here. You could see there's so many NFTs that are out here. There's so many NFTs you can collect. There's so many NFTs here. You can browse your NFTs here. You can stick out the categories. So if you want to, you have to sign in. If you haven't signed in with Mintable, you have to sign in. I haven't signed in with Mintable, so I can't actually show you guys how to like log in. So if you have to sign up, you have to connect your wallet to this, then you log in, and then you can actually like list your NFTs here, guys, in Mintable, guys. So that is it for Mintable. So the next on my list is Foundation, guys. Foundation is the next NFT place out there, next best NFT place out there for me. This is what I believe. I don't know why my system is a bit lagging out there, but that's no problem. So you can see so many NFTs here. Look at this one, is sold for 125.00 Ethereum.
You're talking big money.
And there's so many out here, guys, that you can actually buy, you can actually collect. So you too can actually like list your NFTs out there and then promote your NFTs like for sale. Tell your friends that your NFTs are out there. Go to Twitter Spaces and then share your project out there, guys. So this is my number 2. So number 3, guys, number 3 goes to Rarible, guys. Rarible, I love Rarible because you can see the NFTs are looking very cool here. The site is very colorful. I love everything about Rarible. It's so beautiful. You can see, look how all the NFTs are listed out here. So you could actually like list your NFTs out here and then sell your NFTs for money. Yeah, that's the end game, man. To make money, guys. So this is number 3, guys. So you could just sign in here. So it's going to take you to I have actually an account with Rarible. So let me show you guys the process how you could just sign in. So you just sign in with your MetaMask wallet. You can see your MetaMask wallet is going to appear here by this side of your screen. You're going to connect your MetaMask to the Rarible account. So you can see something is telling me, oops, wrong here. Let me switch networks and see. Okay, Polygon. Let me try using Ethereum blockchain. You can see. So I'm just going to put my password. And then when I put my password, then I'm going to like click on unlock. So it's going to load and voila, it has dropped me inside. You can see this is my page. So I can just come and click on create here. You can click on create here, guys. So you can see these are all the blockchains that I can actually list my NFTs with. So these are all the blockchains I can list my NFTs. So let me come here to my profile. This is my profile. You can see this is my profile. I can actually edit my profile here. I'll put in about myself. I'll put in everything here. You choose like I will choose my pictures. I haven't really like edited my profile here with Rarible. then I could go to my collections. This is where I'm going to have my collections. That if I create a collection here, if I click on create collection, then it's going to tell me what chain I should go for. Because I've connected my Ethereum to this, so it's showing here that this is Ethereum I connected. Sorry, this is Ethereum I connected to it, and then I could actually like choose to switch it back to Polygon here, and then switch it back to Polygon here, which is going to enable me to continue. And then yeah, so how am I going to connect, how am I going to create my project, how am I going to create my collection? Is it a single or a multiple collection? Just choose whatever you want to create, how you want to create it here. So the last on my list, guys, before I mention the last on my list, guys, I want you guys, if you're getting any value from this video, I want you guys to go hit that like button, guys.
How do you like that?
So that YouTube can actually like send this video to people that are interested in the video just like you guys, so you can actually get value from this video too, and it can help all of us grow together, guys, because that's the main and end goal for all of us to grow together, guys. And if you have any questions, guys, you can actually just drop it down in the comment section. I'm going to reply all of you guys' questions. If you have any question where you don't understand, guys, so help me, guys, to know what you guys want, so I can make more videos like this to help you guys, to teach you guys about all of this. So the last on my list, guys, goes to Opensea. Guys, Opensea is the biggest NFT platform out there. Opensea was out there since 2017, guys, so it's one of the biggest platforms it has. So Opensea has more than $10 billion trade per year, guys. $10 billion, guys. So $10 billion is calculated in the whole of this Opensea, guys. So Opensea is one of the biggest, is even the biggest NFT marketplace out there, guys. Presently, it started first and is the biggest. So you could actually mint your NFT, you could actually list your NFTs on Opensea. That is the information I have for you guys today. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for reaching this point of the video. And I told you guys I'm going to be giving you guys a free ebook for NFTs, so you could actually learn about NFTs and how to sell NFTs and how to trade it for money. And I'm going to show you guys the websites. I'm going to show you guys the URL website. The URL, I'm going to be posting it on the screen. You can see it now. You could just copy, you could just paste, you could just pause this video and then copy the URL and then put it on your browser, so that it's going to take you to the website where you're going to see all the new marketplace out there, where you could actually list your NFTs out there, where you could actually mint your NFTs out there, and then have the opportunity for so many people to buy it out there. Because the more your NFTs are listed in so many places, the more chances you have that so many people are going to buy it from different places, guys. So that is just it. I'm not promising that if you put your NFTs out there in so many places, some people are going to buy it, but you just have more advantage that you have your NFTs out there everywhere. And because the most and the more important thing is for you to present your project, to like tell people about your NFTs, tell your specific audience about your NFTs. Is it music NFTs? Yeah, you have to go to the music people. Is it art NFTs? You have to go to the art people. And my advice for you guys on how to make your NFTs, how to get sales from your NFTs, is that there are Discords, there are Facebook platforms, there are Twitter spaces where you guys can join. You could go share your ideas, go share your projects there. And you don't know, probably there are collectors that are out there just listening to and waiting for people that are creating NFTs that they like, and they could just buy your NFTs, guys. This is how simple NFTs work. See you guys in my next video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you are interested in things like this. Have a nice day, have a wonderful day. Peace.